feel like I don't know what I'm doing. I haven't used this baler much. I was used to the New Holland. This is the Kuhn baler. It's supposed to be really easy, but it's computer, so here you go. There's that screen. You can see there it shows a bale growing now, and it'll soon tell me which direction I either hug one side of the row or the other according to those arrows. So right now it's saying that I'm pretty good. There's an arrow, so I'm going to go over to the right a bit. You can see out here that I hug that row on this side, and then after a bit it'll tell me hug the row on the other side. To keep the bale even. It's doing pretty good. So I'm going to go over the other way. Hug the row on this side. Yeah. Bale's getting fuller. Soon gonna give me a warning beep. Tell me we're gonna stop soon and wrap the bale. Soon gonna give me my warning beep. There it is. And soon gonna tell me to stop. Take it out of gear, put my brake on, and then it's saying I can lift the latch. So there it goes up, and I shut it again, and when it tells me it's shut, then I can go again. Throw her back in gear, away we go. Oh, first, and there we go. So, exciting stuff. Yeah. Just putting along here. I think he's raking 6 into 1, and he's out there raking somewhere.